Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. For this pattern we need to make a multiple of 12 chains plus 6. So make one slip knot and then start chaining. I made 30 chains totally. And now skip 1, 2, 3 and 4 chain and go to 5th chain from the hook. Make one double crochet here. Then make one double crochet into each of next 2 chains. 1 and 2. Now I have 4 double crochets at the beginning of the row. Then skip 1 and 2 chain and go to next chain. Make 5 double crochet here. I made 5 double crochet into same chain, and after that make 2 chain. Skip 1, 2, 3 and 4 chain and go to next chain. Make 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet into each of next 4 chains. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now I have 5 double crochets after this chain 2. Then we have to repeat this sequence from here until here. Skip next 2 chain, make 1 shell stitch with 5 double crochet into the next. And after that make 2 chains and skip 1, 2, 3, 4 chain and make 1 double crochet into each of next 5 chains after these 4 chains. Okay, you have to repeat this sequence several times until the end of the row. Now I'm at the end, and after this chain 2 skip 1, 2, 3 and 4, and now I have 4 chains left. Make 1 double crochet into each of them. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And now row 1 is finished. I have 4 double at the end of the row and 4 double at the beginning of the row. Start next row with 3 chain and turn the work, and then make 1 double crochet into second stitch and each of next 2 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. And skip this chain to space. Go to first stitch of this shell stitch here and make 1 shell stitch with 5 double crochet into first stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And then skip next 4 stitches of this shell stitch and make 2 chain. Go to next 5 and make 1 double crochet into each of them. Again, repeat this sequence. Skip this chain 2 and go to first stitch of this shell stitch. Make 5 double crochet here. make 2 chain and skip next 4 stitches of this shell stitch, and again make 1 double crochet into each of next double crochets. Okay, now I'm at the end, and after skipping these 4 stitches, go to last 4 stitches, make 1 double crochet into each of them. 1, 2, 3, and the last stitch should be worked into third chain of these beginning chains of previous row, and row 2 is finished. For start next row, make 3 chain, turn the work, and repeat row 2. First make 1 double crochet into each of next 3 stitches, then skip next chain 2 and make 1 shell stitch with 5 doubles into first stitch of this shell stitch. Make 2 chain, skip next 4 stitches and go to these 5 doubles and make 1 double crochet into each of them. And repeat this sequence. Skip next chain 2, make 1 shell stitch into first stitch of this shell, then make 2 chain and skip next 4 stitches of this shell and make 1 double into each of next double crochets, and repeat until the end. And at the end, make 1 double into each of these 4 stitches, and then we have to repeat this row. And this row, row 2, should be repeated several times until the height of the pattern reach the desired size. You can see my bigger pattern here. I made that with another yarn and in larger size. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video and leave a comment. Have a nice day.